Good morning children, welcome to Gautam Model School, Vanasthalipuram, class 1 children, EVS subject children. Okay, everyone open this textbook. This is EVS. In this EVS children, we have learnt about the food we eat children. Right, this is your textbook, the food we eat. Okay, so any doubt you call me children, I will explain you, I told you children. Okay, so in this, the question in the beginning I have given you children one question already. I told you, why do we need food? We need food. Question answers we have written, right now children? Have we written or not? Once everyone check your books children. We have completed our textual exercises children in class 1 lesson number 2. In this I told you to prepare one bread sandwich also children, but no one sent me any this activity children. I told you to make a sandwich, but I didn't get from anyone. So okay, once again I am telling you to do this. When you complete this one, then we will go to another bit children. Okay, even like in the first lesson also, like in English I told you to grow baby plant, but only very few are responding. Okay, everyone can do. And have you all written children this? Papa says Murali needs energy to take part in a race. Name any 3 food items that Murali should eat. It is given right now children. So have you written children this one? So to get energy, what type of food we need to eat children? Here it is given. See for this. See, think and answer, it is given now. For this children, Murali can eat Murali, this see children, see, think and answer. Murali can eat, see, these are the rice, sugar, butter, chapati and bread gives us energy. So any 3 he can eat children, like sugar, rice he can eat. Okay, rice, answer children, this is C bit. Okay, rice, sugar, butter, butter can be eaten by Murali children to get energy to participate in a race. Okay, Murali required what? The 3 food items children, rice, sugar and butter, and chapati and even other things also are given children. Okay, and first of all you tell me children, why do we need food? Tell me. Come on, orally I am telling children, everybody should concentrate like what I am telling. Okay, we need food to get energy, to grow and to keep us healthy. Okay children, this is the first question children. Here it is given, why do we need food? First question, why do we need food? You need to listen my words children, and you can go through the textbook and you can write the answers. Okay, now start. Why do we need food? Answer. We need food to grow, to get energy and to keep us healthy. Okay, over. This is the answer. Now second one children, name 3 food items we get from plants. Name 3 food items that we get from plants. It is answer these questions, it is given a second answer. Easily you can tell me children, name 3 food items. Any 3 food items, tell me. From plants what we will get? Wheat, that means chapati, right? Chapati and yes, fruits and vegetables will get from plants. Chapati, fruits and vegetables will get from plants. These are the food items, 3 food items. Okay, write down children. If you have any doubt, you can call me, I'll tell you. Why do we need water? Tell me children, why do we need water? The lesson explanation is over, right? Tell me. Because in our body also we have full of water children. And to digest our food, whatever we are taking, we need to take lots of water, plenty of water children, a day children. How many glasses of water we need to drink? 6 to 8 glasses we need to drink children. Why we need to drink? To digest our food. Right. So, here it is given children, we need water. See, water helps us to digest the food we eat. So, answer once again I am telling you children. Why do we need water? We need water to digest food which we eat. Once again, we need water to digest the food which we eat. This is the answer. Okay children, now write 3 good eating habits. Only 2 to 3 children they are telling me children, only 2 to 3 children answers they have written and they sent to me. It is very easy children. Eating habits already it is given. Wash your hands before and after meal. Rinse your mouth after meals. And fix your time every day, like eating time. Okay. And eat clean food children. Don't waste food. Any 3 you can write. This is given in page number 123. Okay children, these are the question answers. And today I want to give you this project children, because tomorrow it is a Sunday. So I am going to give you this project. This is page number 125 children. It is given in page number 125. In your notebook, make a food chart for a week. Write what you had for breakfast and lunch and dinner. Right. So, one example is given children already. In your notebook also you make like this columns and write whole week what you had on that day as a breakfast and lunch and dinner children. I want to check this one. This is your project children. I am going to give even marks also for this project work. Okay children? Understand? So, this is your project. After you have filled up the chart, do the following. Write the name of one food item that you ate every day. Draw a star if you ate a fruit every day. Write the names of 3 food items that you like the most. So, after completing the chart children, given below the questions children, here the few questions are given. You need to answer these questions also. Okay. This is page number 125. This is the work for you. Understood children? Bye bye and we'll see you next day, means on Monday I'll meet you children. So I want to see all these projects. Okay. Any doubt you call me, I will explain you children. And whenever you are sending homeworks children, write your name on the paper. That will be easy for me to correct the answers. Okay. Bye bye and we'll see you next session.